So today we are going to learn index match. So the key concept behind this index match is it works based on intersection of row and column. Let's see index. The first parameter is being asked for putting array. Here array means the entire table. Thereafter row number and column number. If we choose row number 2 and row number 3 and column number 2, row number 3 column number 2, what will be the output? The intersection of row number 3 and column number 2, what will be the output? Mumbai. Got it? So cannot we substitute this row number and column number with match? We can substitute. So now I'll show you how can I apply this substitution. Here I'm going to put the drop down list of this name of these people and under under list of the cities. So now I'll apply the row number and column number. I'm going to find out the row number of this cell. So I'll choose the entire column for it, and the last parameter is 0. Same way, to find out the column number, I will again use match for this, comma. For finding out the column number, I will choose the entire row. Okay. Now I'll change the value of row. Got it?